Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video we'll be looking at how you can fund your Binance account with USDT through peer-to-peer method. So you all know that the crypto ban is still on in Nigeria. So Nigerian crypto traders are not allowed to use their MasterCard or Visa card or Nigerian cards, their Nigerian debit cards, to actually buy cryptocurrencies from any exchange platform. So sorry. So guys, you definitely need to actually use peer-to-peer for this method. So we are going to be buying some amount of USDT using peer-to-peer method. So consider this video a video on how to fund your Binance account. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to head on to this place written trades. When you head on here, this section is for peer-to-peer. If the crypto ban was not still on, you can actually just buy it using fiat, but we're going to be using P2P for this method. So I have other videos on how you can actually sell those coins or any coin you actually buy on Binance, how you can sell them to real naira and then prevent yourself from getting scammed by these crypto vendors. So you need to the Binance Express or the Binance peer-to-peer platform, whichever. But I would actually use Express because whoever is given to you on Express should be a verified vendor given to you by Binance. So the Binance will not necessarily just refer someone who is not good or someone who is not, someone who is not trustworthy to actually sell for you. So, but I have videos too on peer-to-peer method, normal method where you would see other vendors with their flyers and everything. So we'll be using peer-to-peer for this one just for safety. So you need to come onto this place. So for those of you who are just opening your peer-to-peer account for the first time, when you come to this place, you just follow the instructions. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to this place, this three icon place. When you go there, you need to tap on payment method. So click on payment method, then you actually add your bank account. You can see I can add more accounts, and make sure the bank account you're adding here should be the name you use to register your Binance account. So if it was your brother's account if it was your brother's details you use to register the Binance account, make sure it's the account that is here. Yeah, so because if you don't do that, Binance actually starts flagging your accounts, and then some vendors may not actually pay you. So some vendors will even tell you, make sure it's the account that is written there that I'm going to pay into. Don't come and send another account. So make sure it's your own personal account you add here, so I can actually edit it or add more. So yeah, I'm on Express. To get to the main peer-to-peer, just tap on this Express. You see other place. So here is peer-to-peer where you meet other vendors. Here is the Express, and here is the block trade. This block trade is for huge transactions like 50 million, 100 million, huge transactions. You see very good vendors there. So but normal people where they do 20k, 10k, 2 million, we they use Express or peer-to-peer. So but for now, I'm using Express. So the coin of pick I want to buy is USDT, and I'm on buy. So you must be on buy. If you want to sell, you must be on sell. So I want to buy USDT, and the reference price is 568.99. Although this price doesn't look too real, but for you to know the actual price, because this Express has some price correlation mistakes. So for you to know the actual price, just come over here, change this into peer-to-peer, and then check on the main peer-to-peer platform to see what the rate is. So can you see that the rate is actually 580 something? So they will deceive you and tell you that the rate is 560 something there, but it's actually not. So the rate is actually 580 something. So you just return back to the Express, and then we click on buy. Then the total amount of USDT I want to buy the one of 100,000. So I'll just type in 100k. I just want to use this to show you guys examples. So I'll just buy. Okay, is this complete? Okay, this is 100k. So I'll click on buy with zero fee. Click on buy. So I'll be choosing the method I want to use to pay. So it says 100,000 naira will give me 169.88 USDT. Bank transfer using my normal bank or using Kuda. This is the fee they will collect. So but I'm going to be using my bank accounts. I don't want to use Kuda because Kuda is higher. I'm using my normal bank transfer. So I'll click on confirm purchase. When I click on confirm purchase, it will actually take me to a new page where I would make payments. So you can see this is the person I'm actually sending the money to. I can chat with him from here. I just click on there and just tell him Please don't use abusive words on them. Please don't use abusive words on them. Just type, boss, I want to make payments now, hope you're active. So the good ones will actually reply you yes or no. That is how well you know they are active. So you should actually reply if it's very much active. So I'll be expecting a reply from him, but for now let's go and transfer the cash. So just head on here and then click on make payments. When you click on make payments, his account number will be given to you. So you choose anyone you want. You can transfer to his Access Bank or to his GT Bank. So let's use Access. So his account Access Bank. So we'll just come here and copy his account number. This is his name, Ikechukwu Destiny Orji. Copy his account number from there. So we now go to our bank. Head over to your bank app. So we're going to be transferring a total of 100,000 naira to this guy, to other banks. 100k. Okay, that's his account number. Access Bank. So you confirm his name, Ikechukwu Destiny Orji. So yeah, click on 100k. Then click on to Orji. Don't use crypto terms. If you use crypto terms, they will block your account. Don't use anything like I want to buy BTC or for crypto or for BM. If you do that, you're in trouble. The bank will block your account because these things are banned. These cryptocurrencies are banned. So any financial institution that gets using crypto as description of payment, you just get blocked. So you click on continue. So I'll pause this here. So I've transferred the money to the guy. Click on view receipts if you want, or close. So close. I've transferred the money to him. So yeah, so I'll just head on back to my Binance and then click on transferred, notify the seller. Click on transferred, notify seller. So yeah, he should actually pay me in some few minutes time. So you can see releasing time is 13.15. I can actually go back and chat him and just see boss, I've made payments, please transfer crypto funds. So you can see I have marked the order as paid. Please, I should wait for seller to confirm release of the assets. So I'll just pause the video for a while. It shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes. It's very hassle free, so it shouldn't take so much time. I would wait for him to actually send me my crypto, then I would go to my wallet and confirm it. So before that time, I would actually just pause the video and go off screen. When he has sent it, I'll come back to tell you guys the amount of time it took him to transfer the money and if he got to reply me and everything, and I'll show you where the crypto ended up at. So I'll see you guys like in a few minutes time. So guys, if this transaction has persisted for a very long time, I don't know what's wrong with this vendor, but if you want to call him, you can actually call him using this icon here. So that's where you can actually call him. I've actually called him and he said he's coming, like he was delayed by something. So let's just wait. It's going to soon release funds. I'm supposed to even block the goods. I'm supposed to block. Okay, you can see now he has actually paid in the money. He just delayed the hell out of me. Like it took him like 13 minutes. That's the full completion window for him to send me these funds. And it's so frustrating, but anyways, that's how it is. Some days it is hassle free, while some days it is not. So you can see that the funds has been deposited into the funding wallet, so you can actually go there and go and check. So I just click on done. So yeah, I think if I now go to my funding wallet, let's go to the funding wallet. Okay, so for those who are asking, the funding wallet is normally where you actually is the wallet for P2P and all those stuff. So yeah, you can see the funding wallet here, 168.88. that was the total amount that was paid in. So this transaction was actually a successful one. So guys, I wanted to try depositing some funds into your Binance account and tell me how it actually went. Was it hassle free? Was it stressful? And I just want to know your feedbacks. Just try it out, and if you had a successful transfer or a successful purchase or sell, still DM me and tell me how it was. I just want to know. All right, that will be the end for this video. In our next video, we'll be talking about something else. See you guys in the next video.